Hello everybody. If you showed up to the class meeting today, you did not need to listen to this video. This is for those of you who had conflicts or were not able to make it this morning. Just want to let you know what we're going to be doing today. Of course, if you open up your Schoology course, you're going to open up this week's folder. Everything else is in the past week's folder. And you're going to open up today's folder and you're going to see a to-do list. So the first thing you're going to do is read 10 minutes. And I'll give you a quick reminder, don't forget to fill out the Read 10 tracking page every Friday. It's in the purple Reading Resources folder. It is something that I expect you to do every week, as well as read 10 minutes every day, just to keep that reading habit going. There are a few people who forgot to fill it out last week, and some people who didn't fill it out either week. So I'm really going to need you to catch up, and when you do, let me know. Today we are going to continue to work on that learning target to work on what a central idea is. So the learning target is I can identify the central idea and key details that connect to that central idea. We already practiced with that video where the people were in the city getting in the ball pit. Today I have another video, and it is Kid President, which is a character that you might be familiar with, and it's his video on a guide to making a new friend. So what I want you to do is watch this video, and you're going to take notes on any details that you feel like are important. I want you to try to write like 10 things that you see, not just 2 or 3. Just keep writing things that you notice that happen. And you might notice what they're wearing, or you might notice where they're sitting, or you might notice what they talk about. You might notice some of the graphics that the producers use that go across the screen and that sort of thing, or some of the sound effects that they use. Just jot down a lot of details that you think that might be important. And then what I'm going to have you do is open up this Google Doc down here, and you're going to add those ideas. I'm going to open it up here. And I've started it. Add this to this list of details you notice while watching Kids President's Guide to Making New Friends. You don't have to write down everything you write on your notes, just anything that you feel like, oh, this is something new that somebody else hasn't written down. I want you to add it to this list here. And then I want you to try to draft what you think the central idea is. I want to have a starting point for tomorrow. So just kind of think, remember that central idea is the big idea. What are those producers trying to tell us through the video? Tomorrow we're going to follow up, and we are going to talk about the ideas and the details that you came up with, or I will do a processing video for that, and we're going to come up with a really good central idea and some details that would connect to that central idea. And then I'm going to ask that you re-watch the video and see if you notice any additional details that would go with that, and then I'm going to have you take a quiz. So for today, you're just going to focus on this to-do list that is listed at the top of the page, and do those things. Hope to see you tomorrow.